So the first fly that we're tying tonight is the Coho Kryptonite. Looks like this. This is tied in purple. You can tie it in pink. You can tie it in chartreuse. You can tie it in any color that you like. The tools that you need to tie this fly are a vise, scissors, whip finish tool or half hitch tool, or you can use your fingers to finish the fly off. That's about it. This is a pretty simple one. So I'm starting off with a size 2 Gamakatsu T10-6H. And I'm going to use black Vivus thread in 8/0. I'm just going to start the thread at the eye of the hook and bring it back to just past the point, about halfway between the point and the barb. For the tail of this fly, I'm going to use pearl crystal flash. You can also use a combination of flash that you may have. You can use any color you choose, but for this one we're going to use pearl crystal flash, and that'll be it. So the tail should be 2 times the length of the shank of the hook here. I'm going to tie that in right about there. Keeping control of this flash is a challenge. I'm going to bring my thread forward. Okay, bring it back towards the middle a little bit here. I'm going to fold this flash forward and then just do a wrap here in the middle with the thread. Tie this down, and then I'm gonna bring the flash forward, wrapping away from me, just to kind of build a little bit of a taper to this fly. Otherwise it would just be the same size all the way around. So the next material we're going to tie in is this Cactus Chenille in large color purple. You can do it in pink, chartreuse, whatever color you'd like. And we're actually going to tie this in at the front of the hook. So I'm just taking off a little bit of the fibers to get down to this core string, and that's where I'm going to tie it in. So I'm going to wrap this back, try not to catch the fibers with the string. I'm going to build up some bulk here when we come forward. So this is about a 12-inch piece. I cut it a little long so I didn't run out when I was doing this demo. But you could probably get away with a 10-inch piece. So I brought it back to where we first tied in the tail. And now I'm going to bring it forward again, this time pushing the fibers back. Trim up some of these. So I'm going to do 3 wraps with the whip finish tool. I'll do it twice. And there you have it. That's a pretty simple fly, the Coho Kryptonite, like